everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, TCS free hiring has started and the exam date is on 11th of October, and you need to register it before 11th of September 2024. In this video, I will also talk about TCS NQT paid hiring. And friends, Deloitte is also hiring for 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024 batch. And last but not the least, Genpact is also conducting virtual interview, direct interview, right? And qualification is any graduate experience 0 to 1 year, and date will be 29th of August. If you'll open this link, right, then directly a interview link will open, right? Okay. Now, friends, before we discuss about the free hiring, the paid hiring, right? So I would like to tell you, friends, please do like the video and also subscribe to the channel. You can see you will be getting amazing content, right? So related to your preparation, right? Okay, any kind of hirings, only good hirings, friends. So I will not put, the hirings where you will not get any kind of reply or which is not worth for you, right? And don't forget to join the Telegram group because a lot of things are happening here. So if you have any queries, your colleagues are helping. If you have any exams, your colleagues are helping, right? So this group is the wonderful group and it is growing very quick, right? So you can see, so all those things are happening in this group. So please do join right now. Okay, the link is in description. Okay, now moving towards, so friends, TCS free hiring right now is for BPS. Okay, for TCS NQT, please listen carefully. For TCS NQT on campus 2025 batch, right now the hiring is happening only in the colleges. Okay, it is not hiring, it is not happening through their portal. Okay, it is not happening through next step portal. Okay, clear? So TCS NQT 2025 hiring, it is happening right now only through the colleges on campus. After 2 to 3 months, once it will come through the next step portal, I mean it will be public for everyone. Right now TCS free hiring is for BPS, right? Friends, please look at the content, man. From that time you're looking somewhere, right? So look at the content, right? So when I'm explaining, so start your success with BPS, inviting graduates in arts and commerce year of passing 2025 to apply for TCS BPS hiring. You know one thing, in TCS, like most of the the boys, right? So they basically apply, and I think that is the reason they have put some kind of photos here. Anyway, so that's not our concern. So registration end date is 11th of September 2024, and test date is going to be conducted on 11th of October 2024. About TCS BPS hiring, so the main thing which you have to understand here is, sir, what is the eligibility criteria, right? So friends, they are telling full-time graduate from BCom, BA, BAF, BBI, BBA, BBM, BMS, BSc, Physics, Statistics, Computer Science, Information Technology 2025 year of passing may apply, right? Okay, this is clear. So this is only for 2025 batch. So if you have done BSc, if you have done BA, if you have done BCom, BBA, BBM, all are eligible to apply. Now, so minimum age should be 18, maximum should be 28. Next thing is the pattern you need to understand. The pattern is they will be asking you 50 questions, and numerical ability will be there, reasoning ability will be there, quantitative aptitude will be there, right? Three things: aptitude, reasoning, and uh, you know uh, numerical ability, right? So these are the three things which will be asked to you. Fine. Okay, next we will talk about, friends, TCS paid NQT, right? So when TCS paid NQT, before that quickly I will tell you about the Genpact. So Genpact is conducting virtual interview, role voice process. So if you're interested in voice process, then on 29th of August 2024, click on this link. This link will be in description, and then you will be redirected to this particular link. And this is basically a Zoom link. Already I'm on some other Zoom, so it won't open now. So then they will be able to accept you inside the Zoom meeting on this particular day, 29th of August 2024, and the location is Noida, right? Okay, so I hope this will be, friend, don't pay any money at any places. Okay, if they ask you for the selection. Now TCS paid NQT, what is it, right? And the exam is going to be conducted on 16th of September, and right, you have to apply before 4th of September 2024. And here 2021 till 2025 batch are eligible. TCS ION NQT national qualifier test, right? So from 2019 till 2025 batch are eligible. But I would like to tell you, friends, see, basically at least in our channel, so I have, I know only few, like 4, 5 or 10 students those who had got job through paid NQT. So that's the reason I generally do not suggest. Sir, why are you making a video on this? So I only suggest, right, to go through this if you want a real test. Okay. So friends, basically you can opt for 599 rupees. Okay. And then you can write the test. Okay. So extra benefit, 30 hours of free learning courses on basic cognitive skills to help you prepare better. One free practice test to check your preparedness before the actual test. Free psychometric test to assess your workplace related personality test and behavior. Okay. So this will be one benefit which you will be getting it, right? But it is very difficult to get job in these companies. Okay. Whatever the list here, because at least on our channel, I know I know only 5 to 10 students, those who have got job through paid NQT. If anybody has got it, please do comment so other students will be also able to understand, right? So here, how to apply? It's very simple. You need to buy. So after you buy, you will be automatically able to enroll for this. If you have any issues, please put that in the comment section. Now we have decided to at least daily 15 to 20 minutes. I will try to reply few of the comments. Okay. Whatever we know, whatever information we have. Okay. Now, next, friends, Deloitte. So, Bhaiya, Deloitte is hiring for virtual admin associate analyst and Hyderabad, right? Friends, Hyderabad, Pune, and Bangalore. These three are the places where most of the IT companies are there, right? Bangalore is called as IT city, right? Hyderabad and Pune is also its tech city only. Okay. Now, position summary: associate analyst, virtual admin support, Deloitte support, Services India Private Limited. So, friend, basically this is virtual admin. So what I could see here is like, it might be work from home. Okay. But anyway, we'll see. So the key responsibility: preparation of non-technical business communication and basic presentation from a layout and a content perspective, right? Something is better than nothing, right? So if you do not have any job to join, then you can go for it. Deloitte is a very good company. Okay. So this is usijobs.deloitte. Review document for accuracy, completeness, adherence to style guides, and compliance with company standards and procedures. Input and update data in documents or databases accurately and efficiently, ensuring data integrity and confidentiality. Okay, so mainly you have to deal with their presentation and basic data, right? Work location is Hyderabad. Shift timings will be 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. right? So 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. will be your shift timings, right? Okay, the team. So who can apply? Any bachelor degree. So friends, basically there is no particular like CSIT or ECE or electrical, right? So any bachelor degree, good communication skill. If you have a knowledge of basic PC softwares, you already having, you are an engineer, man. Work independently and plan and flexible. You are solution and customer orientated. You are eager to learn. You are initiator and a real time player. Yes, all the qualities we have, right? So they have not given about salary and all, right? But generally, friend, Deloitte will pay you around 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. Now click on apply now. So once you click on apply now, then if you are you already registered, then go with your email ID and password. If not, then create and then you apply, right? So choose an option to start the application process, right? So login if you have already registered, and then copy paste. Okay, copy and paste resume or upload from your device. So please upload your resume. So I think I have kept on desktop, right? So resume. Where is the resume? Pratik resume will be there. P. Okay, so I'm not getting it now. I might have kept it somewhere else. Okay, but anyway, you have to upload the resume and then you have to proceed further, right? Okay, fine. Okay, fine, guys. So then you can proceed further. I was not searching on desktop basically. So desktop, and then here we could see. Okay, previous year Pratik resume, right? Okay. So after that, click on continue, and then some data will be directly taken from your resume and it will come under your personal information, right? So like this, you have to fill it, friends. Okay. So fill all those things and then you will be easily able to apply. So this was what for today. And I hope this has given you information. And anyway, soon we will be also starting the classes for TCS NQT. So please do subscribe the channel as soon as possible. Thank you. Take care and all the very, very best.